orange boxes in the basement that are specifically for fall that I'm going to have to bring up here probably this weekend, because it's going to be feeling like fall not only for us when we officially ring in fall at 9:04 tonight. It's going to be feeling like it pretty much right now. We have temperatures that are hanging out in the low 60s in spots, already into the 50s. And speaking of fall, right around the corner for us, you're going to be looking at more fall-like conditions, especially with our sunsets, which this might not be your most favorite thing to see, but just to share with you that our sunset today is 7:28. In 2 weeks from now, it's going to be close to the 7 o'clock hour, and we'll be in the 6 o'clock hour, 6:55, our sunset, October 13th, which is only 3 weeks away. Kind of hard to believe it's been flying by. And so is the rain this morning, which we haven't really seen a whole lot of it. It's been really patchy with some drizzle. We have seen some rain become a little bit enhanced to the south and east, but for us, we are looking at dry conditions here in town. In southeastern Ohio, you can see we do have some pockets of some moderate to heavy rain. It's moving from just east of Waverly, north of Wellston right now. You'll probably see some of that in northern Jackson County within the next half hour or so. Over Vinton, Athens, starting to see some of that rain move in. So it looks like you could be dealing with some heavy rain in spots in parts of Athens over the next hour or so. But generally speaking, a lot of this is going to be the last of the rain that we're going to be dealing with probably up until Sunday, where we'll see our next best chance for rain. Since that front moved through earlier this morning, dew points have fallen into the low 50s. Winds have sustained at about 10 to 17 miles an hour across much of Franklin County. So breezy as you step out the door, and definitely getting cooler out there as the hours pass. We'll see temperatures in the upper 50s to the north this morning, already 59 in Mount Gilead, 59 in Bucyrus, 65 here in Columbus. Still in the low 70s to the south and east, but I am expecting those temperatures to kind of top off into the upper 60s, low 70s for the afternoon highs in southeastern Ohio. But for us here in town, we'll continue to have that northwest flow, a few breaks in the clouds, but with a combination of those two things, the clouds, the winds, and also drier air, here we are at 3 o'clock. Temperatures really haven't climbed that much, so we'll continue to see those highs in the mid to upper 60s for us this afternoon, possibly looking at temperatures already in the low 60s by around 6 o'clock to the north. And there's a very good chance we're going to be talking about temperatures not only in the 50s tonight, but likely into the mid 40s for us here in town. So really feeling that fall chill, which again, officially fall at about 9:04 p.m. and it's definitely going to feel like it, one of the coldest mornings that we've had in a while. And I'll say cold because it will be chilly out there. Temperatures will be in the 40s for a lot of us with the breeze still out there out of the north. It will feel like maybe it's in the low 40s in spots. It won't be out of the question. And speaking of feeling like fall, it's going to be a fall afternoon for your Friday. Temperatures will be climbing in the mid to upper 60s. So looking like it again will be a great evening for some fall-like football games for us. And even going into Saturday, it's looking like a great day as well. A little warmer on Sunday. We have some rain that'll be coming into town, but then cooling off heading into early next week. Quick check of your Buckeye forecast, 7:30 kickoff at the Shoe. Warm-ups at around 71 degrees. So again, going into the latter half of the afternoon, early evening hours will likely be around 70, but then quickly falling into the low 60s by the time things are wrapping up at the Shoe. And then as we wrap up your weekend, we got some rain to deal with for us on Sunday. Looks to be pretty on and off throughout the day, but then heading into early next week, just some cloud coverage lingering and perhaps a few showers, kind of a similar thing to what we're dealing with today. And then cooler as we head into the start of next week with a gradual warm trend with mostly sunny skies through much of next week.